I found this 3D horse on the internet and I downloaded it, put it into some software, and I started to take it apart. And what I did here was I took a look at all the different pieces, and I used software to convert the whole image from 3D to 2D. And then when I did that, I took each part and created it into a DXF file and put it into a separate directory for cutting on the laser. I should also mention that before I started to take it apart and create all the different parts, I had to convert it to inches because it was in metric, and that was quite a process too. The other thing is that I was using 1/8 inch masonite, so I had to make sure that all the files were going to fit 0.125, so any of the slots on the horse had to be 0.125. So that took some fooling around to get each part scaled to fit the masonite that I was using. And that's what affects the oversized size of the whole horse. The horse is about 9 or 10 inches long and about 10 inches high. I used Vectric software Aspire 4.0 to do the sizing of the horse, to set up the slots at 0.125 to make sure that everything would fit together. And in fact, it turned out to be a factor of, I had to increase it 125%. They usually punched right out of the 10 by 10 square. This shows the laser operation. It's laser cut 5.3. I'm running at about 74% power, about not very fast, with a resolution of 0.0028. It just shows that if these files are drawn with any kind of accuracy, when you take them all apart and convert them to a 2D file, convert them to a DXF, and cut them, they should all fit back together again and form the 3D horse, as you can see in the last picture. Getting all the parts assembled now, that's another story, because there's no directions with any of this stuff, so you end up printing the pictures that you've got, taking a look at the 3D files, and trying to put it all back together again. It does fit together, but it's tricky. All I need now is the carriage.